Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal, Logan.
Welcome to Food Trip Tuesday. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we're making bone broth. Logan, do you know what bone broth is?
No.
No? Hey Logan, what do you think these are?
Bones.
Yeah, these are bones. Do you know where I got them from?
Cow.
A cow, that's right. These are actually, I think, the femur of the cow. So I actually went to our local butcher. Thanks out there to Frank from the Sussex Meat Market. He helped me to find the best bones to make bone broth. So what do we have to do to these to make broth? What do you think? First of all, what is bone broth? Do you know what it is? It's the liquid left over after you cook down bones. Sounds pretty good, right? So the first thing that Frank suggested that I do, and I want to say thanks again to him for this tip, is we roasted our bones at about 350 degrees in the oven for about 40 minutes. It would be an hour, but Frank was so nice that he cut the bones for me. So a femur of a cow is about this big. He cut it in half and then that's right, lengthwise too. So it started off looking like this, and after we roasted it for a little while, then we put it into a crock pot full of water, and we covered the bones just a little bit full of water. And after about 24 hours, they look like this. Where did all that middle go? Do you know? It went into the water, which made our broth. So today we just did a very basic recipe for bone broth. I added to the water with the bones just a little bit of turmeric, whole peppercorns, some white wine vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar or white wine. A couple of bay leaves. And I finished it off after the crock pot had been going for about 24 hours and my bone broth was done. I finished it off with a little bit of sea salt. So if you have your crock pot going for a little while, you can skim off that stuff on the top if that rises. It's a little bit foamy. You can just get rid of that. Otherwise, your bone broth is ready to go. So let's talk about why we even want to have this. It's great to sip on like a tea. You can use it for soups and stews and things. But like, why do we want this?
Because it's healthy.
It's healthy. That's really true. And did you know that if you were to put this bone back together, that this is what it would look like, right? And inside, a bone is actually hollow. This stuff is all these little micronutrients in here that are very good for us. Do you know what they are? Well, there's protein in there.
Meat.
Well, the meat's on the outside. We do like the meat though, right? We eat the meat, but we can also use these bones to make this broth for other reasons. There's vitamin B, vitamin C in there. We know those are really... Vitamin glucosamine? Is that what you were gonna say?
B.
Because glucosamine is really good for our joints, so we wanna have that too.
What about B?
B is in there, and vitamin C as well. So what we did was we dissolved all of that collagen in there, and we got all those really good micronutrients out so that we can eat them or drink them. So the thing that I'm most excited about with bone broth is that it offers this collagen in there, which is so good for your hair, skin, and nails. Yours too though, right?
I need that stuff because look what happened to my phone.
Do you want to try some?
Not yet.
Are you sure?
Not yet.
You want to tell me how it smells? Okay, well, maybe we'll give it a try a little bit later. We'll try it later, okay. I'm actually not going to go over the nutrition facts today because it depends on what you put in your broth. So if you're interested in more of the science part of this, my husband Eric is going to do a video about that for you, so stay tuned. And then catch us next week on Food Tip Tuesday. Right, Logan?
Right.
We'll see you next time.
I know what's going to be on the next Food Tip Tuesday.
I don't know.
Wait and see. It's going to be amazing.
Bye.
Bye.
This is not made for tank tops. I can't even get it like...
Okay, we are ready. You guys may start talking now. Remember that camera though.
The one over there, okay? All right, ready?
Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda. You good? Okay. Clear your throat. It's okay. It happens to the best of us.
Okay.
Okay, now we're ready. We're ready. Well, first of all, we take our bone broth and we put it in the crock pot. Oh, nope, no we don't, sorry. Some white wine.
I'm sorry.
Oh, God, I was on a roll.
It's going to interrupt the audio.
No, you can't put him near Raja. Raja's gonna growl at him. Just like that.
Go lay down.
Or drink them. All right, that was so cute. I got caught up in his cuteness. So if you're really looking to clean up your hair, see, I don't like that. No, I don't want clean up. Let me repeat that. But if you're interested in more of the science background of all of this, please stay tuned. My husband Eric is going to do a few videos, or a video or two. Sorry.
A video.
Sorry.
One video.
Sorry.
There's not so many nutrition facts.
Well, we
so
talked
multiple
about,
videos.
okay, sorry.